Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this handheld game for kids aged from 4 up to 8. It's light up electronic fast press game, a puzzle sensoric toy for kids from 8 up to 12 years. Fidget games, travel toys for boys, girls and adults too. It's a perfect birthday gift for 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 years old kids and adults, of course. And it comes to you from SZJJXXX. With space-themed interactive adventure here, we take the handheld game for kids to the next level with the exciting space-themed, designed for kids for all ages, featuring vibrant LED lights and dynamic sound effects, offering an engaging mix of light, sound, sensory simulation that's perfect for enhancing attention, hand-eye coordination, memory, and reaction time. This making it an ideal Fidget toy for kids, which age from 4 up to 12, and in handheld games for the kids age 8 up to 12. 4 games modes, 999 plus levels for endless fun. This handheld games offers 4 exciting modes: score, memory, chase, and collision, with over 999 processes challenging levels. The kids can challenge themselves in a solo play or multiple score beats. It's perfect handheld game for kids from 8 up to 12 ages to enhance the memory and duration speed, making it an ideal fidget games and a sensoric toy for kids, and interactive and portable fidget game. This light up handheld game keeps kids entertained and away from screens, helping to improve focus and relieve the stress. It's compact designs make it ideal for travel parties, family gatherings, and outdoor activities. Perfect as a travel toy, sensory toy, or autism toy. It offers both fun and stress relief. Great for indoor and outdoor play, parties, and on-the-go entertainment. And safe and durable design. It's made with high-quality, safe ABS materials. That handheld game is built to withstand a rugged play. The ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip even during extended play. Compact and portable, this makes it easy to enjoy the game anytime and anywhere. Great travel toy for kids of all ages with adjustable volume, and it can be muted for quiet play. That's a perfect gift for boys, for girls, and any occasion. The handheld game for kids is ideal for teens and for kids and even adults. Perfect for birthday, holidays, or special events like Easter, hot parties, school classroom rewards, Thanksgiving, Halloween, and of course the Christmas time. Exciting interactive fidget game makes it a hit with the kids, toy lovers, and fun choice for kids in all ages. Challenge or speed. Fast and correctly press the corresponding light to pass the level, and upgraded 99999 levels are in the 4 games included. We have the scoring mode. This element the lights within a limited time. We press the start button to skip the level. Or we can go to memory mode. We remember the lights that have been on the screen and eliminate the corresponding lights in orders. And we have the chase mode. Elements the light one by one in order. The higher the score, so faster the frequency and the speed will be. And collision mode. Multiple lights will light up at the same time. We select the correct light to eliminate it. That's fun, that's cool, that's for memory exercise, teamwork skills, logical thinking ability, response capability, hand-eye coordination, and improved conversation. And it improves the concentration. We have a handheld dance game here with high-definition speakers, silky touch, and foldable protective cover. We have a button on the left side for on and off. We have a button for the volume, adjustable volume, large, medium, small, and mute. And we have a mode selection button. There are 4 modes possible to use that device. And the game start button, short or long press to skip the level, baby. It's suitable and portable for all ages. office, game time, after school or traveling time, playtime or parties, and leisure or relaxation time. That's all possible with that device here. This is the SZJJX handheld game for kids in any age. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon soon.
Welcome to the handheld dance machine.